Hey guys, Fat Girl Frolics here, and I'm sitting on the floor of my bedroom today doing my Fat Girl Favorites videos. Please like, share, and subscribe so this can be a sponsored video because right now it is not a sponsored video. So I was shopping and saw the cutest packaging and had to buy this, the Creme Shop. Look at that packaging. So I got BT21. This is a lip stick pencil and wanted to try it. Nice color. And I've been sick, so everything has been crazy, but I wanted to get in the light better so you guys can see face and see the color. So I wanted to try this on. And how it works is very nude, but you have this, and every time, I just realized something. If you guys can see that. The color is in the cap. Well, that's why it's so hard to put on. So the next thing I wanted to try, I'm sorry I'm moving around so much, is packaging. Look at this. Isn't that the cutest little thing? That's what caught my eye. So I wanted to try that. Let me clean my lips up and we'll be back. Okay, lips are done. Lips are, should I say, clear. So this is the Universe Stain Lip Tint by the Creme Shop. And the color is Power Mauve. This is it again. So I wanted to try this because I like stains. And again, I love the packaging. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, it's definitely, you can see the difference. Well, I know I'm a little crooked here, guys. Sorry. That's what it looks like on the lips. I'm going to put some on my hand here. This is what it looks like on the hand. Kind of a wine color. It feels very light, like almost water, like very light, not sticky at all. You have time, like if you make a mistake and you need to wipe, you kind of have a little time to fix it. And did I get some on my teeth? See, look, I wiped that little mistake off, but doesn't come off on the hand. So I love it. It smells good, and it even has like a sweet taste to it. And last but not least, I did get the Creme Shop Faux Real Freckle Stamp. And this is in the shape of a star. I think, yeah, I think I got the star. It had a heart too, but I wanted the star because, well, I'm a goof. I can get it out of the package. So, comes in a little thing like this. Oh, I didn't realize it was like a liner, but like you can, well, apparently you don't need to do it so hard, and I just smeared. But there you go, star. I think that maybe it needs, that's my problem. I have I have an eye crease. So if I was gonna do it on my eye, I'd probably do it below the crease like that. Be like, hey, woo, woo, I'm partying, got my fade. Yep. Now I'm not sure how easily they will wipe off. So let's try that as soon as I find my cotton. There it is. Okay, let's try this real quick. Very nice. Wipes off. Very easy. Very nice. Okay. And there we go. So the Creme Shop, 3 products. Love them all. Lip stain, lipstick, stamps. Enjoy, like, share, subscribe so you know when I'm doing this. All right. Have a great day and see you next time. Peace.